Good morning, one and all. I am Dr. Pandit Nirmal, Assistant Professor of English from Sant Tukaram College of Arts and Science, Parbhani. I am pleased to share my experiences regarding 1 week online research capacity building program on research and publication ethics organized by UGC Stride Cell of MSP Mandal Sri Shivaji College, Parbhani during 22nd November to 27 November 2021. This program was organized by Dr. Rohidas Nitonde sir, Young and Dynamic Project Coordinator of UGC Stride Cell of Sri Shivaji College, Parbhani, with the able guidance of loving Principal Dr. Balasaheb Jadhav sir, Vice Principal and Convener of the program Professor Srinivas K. Shetty sir, Vice Principal Dr. Nandapurkar ma'am, the member of MMC and Registrar Sri Vijay More sir. On 22nd November, the program was inaugurated by the Honorable Professor Nirja Gupta ma'am, Vice Chancellor of Sanchi University. In her inaugural speech, Professor Nirja ma'am highlighted the importance of ethics in research and publication to enhance quality research in higher education. The inaugural program was presided by Principal Dr. Balasaheb Jadhav sir. After the inaugural session, the first session was opened by the Honorable Anjali Radkar ma'am, eminent social scientist from Gokhale Institute of Politics and Economics, Pune. In her extensive talk, Anjali ma'am focused on research process like data collection, data analysis, hypothesis, research writing and research methodology. She also cleared the importance of ethics in research and publication. The second session was conducted by Professor Prashant Vokte sir, Associate Dean of Science and Technology of Swami Ramanand Tirth University, Nanded. In his expert talk, Vokte sir elaborated scientific misconduct, academic fraud and plagiarism with a fine illustration of duplication, falsification and fabrication. He also covered the need of intellectual honesty, research integrity and ethical values in research and publication. The second day of the program was opened by the Honorable Professor Malika Tripathi ma'am from the Department of Applied Science and Humanities, Firoz Gandhi Institute of Engineering and Technology, Raebareli. In her deliberation, Malika ma'am covered the philosophical aspects regarding research and publication. She focused on accountability, authenticity, confidentiality and legal parts like copyrights and patents in research. The second session was led by Professor Neelam Panchal ma'am from Gujarat University, Ahmedabad. Neelam ma'am illustrated research matrix, impact factor and citation in detail. Neelam ma'am also explored the importance of publications with the help of citation counts, H index, I10 index and impact factor. On 24th November, the first session was opened by Vice Principal and Convener of the Research Building Program, Professor Srinivas K. Shetty sir. In his presentation, K. Shetty sir explored the importance of ethics in research by focusing 15 ethical aspects like honesty, objectivity, integrity, respect for intellectual property, confidentiality, openness, social responsibility, non-discrimination and human and animal care. The second session was conducted by Dr. Nazia Hassan ma'am from University of Manipur. In her extensive talk, Nazia ma'am focused on academic integrity and publication ethics with the help of the framework of good academic research practices suggested by UGC. She also covered plagiarism avoiding techniques like paraphrasing, citations, quotations, and use of plagiarism checkers. The fourth day of the program was opened by the Honorable Dr. Amarendra Pani sir from New Delhi. Pani sir focused on UGC initiatives for streamlining the academic publication with the help of UGC's regulation. The first session was followed by Honorable Professor Nirja Gupta ma'am, Vice Chancellor of Sanchi University. In her expert talk, Nirja ma'am explored the best practices in writing and reviewing research papers in the light of ethics. Anjali ma'am underlined the proverb, honesty is the best policy in research and publication ethics. On 26 November, the first session was opened by Professor Rajeshwar Metapalli sir from Nalanda University. Professor Rajeshwar sir revealed the process of publication in Web of Science, Scopus and UGC care listed journals. Sir also illustrated how to look up the Scopus source list, how to register as a user of Scopus and register with ORC ID. The second session was conducted by Dr. Nanaji Sewale, librarian from Dhananjay Rao Gadgil Library, Pune. Sewale sir covered the topic open access and publication with the help of elements like immediacy, stimulating effects, impact on citations, search options and modes of availability. The last day of the program was opened by Professor Prashant Mandikar sir from Dayanand College of Arts, Latur. Prashant sir also explored the world of open access publication and its benefits like free of cost, standards of quality research, rapid peer review, free dissemination and frequent citation. The first session was followed by the valedictory function. This function was led by Professor Rajabhav Bedre sir, Professor and Director from UGC Human Research Development Center from Dr. Hari Singh Gaur, Central University, Sagar. In his expert talk, Sir talks about the importance of ethics in research and publication, and the valedictory program was presided by loving principal Dr. Balasaheb Jadhav sir. At last, I am so honored and thankful to be a part of this research capacity enhancement program on research and publication ethics. I am thankful to Principal Dr. Balasaheb Jadhav sir, Vice Principal and Convener of the program Professor Srinivas Kesetti sir, Stride Cell Project Coordinator Dr. Nitonde sir, MMC member and Registrar of the College Vijay More sir, and all the members of organizing team for conducting such a program on current issues in research and publication ethics. Thank you.